Well, everybody, I don't think you can see how much snow there is. Let's walk over here. By the way, Radical Gardener. Yeah, it looks like we have, those are my barrels. They're my half barrels. I mean, it's looking like it's getting to be about 9 or 10 inches. Let's open the door. And still coming down. There we go. You see that? We got lots of snow. There's Mac. Mac thinks he wants to be out in it, so we'll just see how that goes. Can you see how much snow is on top? I don't know. That looks like a lot of snow to me. So, all right. So, welcome to Monday, Veterans Day. How's everybody doing? Been a while. Let's see. Get adjusted here. Try not to drop the iPad as I do. Whoa. I look weird today. Don't I? Whatever. All right, so lots of snow. Oh, I know what it is. It's this weird lighting. There we go. There we go. That's a little friendlier. Okay, so a lot of snow, and it is no sign of it stopping, none at all. Oh, we'll just see where this goes. I mean, there's rumors that they're saying 20 inches of snow in the thumb of Michigan, and I guess Detroit's sorta in the thumb, a little bit south of it, but looks like we might get that much snow, and I don't know the last time I've seen 20 inches here. So, I told you guys, I said I could feel it coming. I knew we were going to get our turn in the barrel. We'd just gotten off really easy for a really long time, and so here we go. It's real snowy. Of course, everybody I was supposed to teach canceled today. I'm going to teach a couple of people and FaceTime them, but yeah, I mean, it's just, you can't ask people to come out into this, right? And I don't shovel my walks. I have a guy that does for $25. It's just such a mess out there. So, yeah, so that's what's going on. Just made some incredible vegetable soup. You guys, let me get pick my carrots, those Napoli carrots from Territorial. I'll tell you, I don't think Baker Creek's carrots can touch I think it's Napoli or Napoli, but Baker Creek, I mean, look at this bag, just packed with carrots. They're a beautiful color and a real buttery texture. Crazy about them. I'd written them down as some of my favorite seeds that I had this year. They're every size. These are the small ones. So I made vegetable soup with parsnips, and I pulled those just a few days ago. But so parsnips and carrots and garbanzo bean and potatoes and peas and carrots and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, just tons of these. Maybe 70 carrots, right? Growing in a raised bed. Really pleased with that. Really pleased. So, and I got them out because the ground was just starting to freeze. They're really sweet. If you let it go to freezing, and your carrots and your parsnips will be really, really sweet. So, yeah, just love them. I highly recommend them. I think we might have sold our house. We had a couple that came through yesterday, and it was their second showing. So I don't know. I'm waiting to hear if they make an offer. I'd be so surprised if they didn't take it. They loved the garden. There's cheese. They loved the garden. They loved the house. They didn't have a lot of questions. I mean, I don't know. You think I want to get out of here now and go to Florida? I mean, look at this. So we'll just see. But you know, we've been showing the house almost every single day. So, but now with this weather coming on, believe me, we're not going to be showing our house through this. So hopefully these people will make an offer, right? So yeah, we'll see what's happening on that. In the meantime, I just keep saving money, and like I said, you know, if somebody doesn't buy it, then we'll own two houses. And sometime next spring, we'll just have enough money saved and we'll buy a house down there, and we'll keep this house, and maybe we'll just have this as a rental, and maybe we'll live here during the summer and live down there in the winter. I don't know. We're just, you know, again, we're wide open, right? Okay, so I just wanted to touch base with you. I don't think there's really anything to report. There's so much going on politically, you know, so I'm kind of caught up in that. And you know, just doing a lot of research. Wow, there's so much going on. I mean, we're just about at the breaking point, and then you're going to see where the conservatives are really going to go on the offense. And so it's going to be a really interesting time. Cryptos are going up, up, up. So real happy about that. And hopefully that'll just continue. And again, I've got cryptos. I think they're going to do well. And you know, maybe I'll wait until September when I'm taking all the money out. Maybe I'll buy a house then. I just don't know. You know, again, just going with the flow. But we're going to have these kind of snowfalls, and I want to get out of here anyways. But this just really amps up the game, right? So listen, I'm going to put the recipe for this vegetable soup. It is fantastic. It is so good, and I added things that I don't usually put in soup. I was reading a recipe, like the garbanzo beans is one thing. The parsley, I gotta tell you. So I go out to pick the parsley and celery, and I'm thinking, oh my god, it's snowing, like that celery is just gonna be. That celery under the snow was just standing straight up, just as green and fresh as could be. And so I just cut a whole bunch of that and added it to my soup, and same with the parsley. So that was awesome. And my kale still looks good, and it's got snow on it, but it looks good. I just dusted off the snow, and there it was. So that's pretty fantastic. So I will have had food to eat out of an urban garden from April until mid-April to mid-November. That's pretty good. That is pretty darn good. You know, and I've got all kinds of stuff that I dried, and I got stuff that I froze. I made soups that I froze. And so, I mean, I can see where I could really eat out of my garden if I'm being really smart about it. So, and that's not a huge garden. You know, it was intense. I was gardening all the time, but it wasn't a big garden. It was basically, as you guys know, containers and a raised beds, and I got a lot of food out of it. And some things, like, I wouldn't get so much of a yield, but it was like, it would be just like enough food for a couple of days, right? So that's something. And then the beans, of course, just produced forever, right? For a month and a half, we're just getting beans. Well, hell, I can live on beans and rice. So, you know, it was really good. It was really pleased. So I can't wait to get down into, you know, more tropical environment, and maybe grow, you know, for a longer period, and grow some different foods, and maybe have some fruit trees. Though I think that Florida is going to struggle with, you know, cold snaps too, and it's going to be hard on trees. Nobody's going to get through this, you know, unscathed. So it's just like, you know, be prepared. That's what we do, is we're prepared, right? Okay, everybody. So like I said, just for touching base with you. I think I'm going to make a video tomorrow. I think I'm going to go walking around outside and just take you for walks so you can see the aftermath of of all the snow. I'm telling you, it hasn't slowed down one single bit. So, and it's been doing this since early this morning. So we'll see. It might turn to rain, but I don't think so because the temperature is getting colder. So, yeah. All right, you guys. So, Radical Gardener, from my garden to yours, may your garden always grow. And I'm sending you a ton of love. Oh, and you send me some good vibes that my house is getting bought by that cool couple. Okay? All right, everybody. Okay, bye.